Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell, we have a flat tire. And that needs fixing. Alright, that's what we're going to be talking about today on Luke's World. First, we have to remove this tire from the bike. Alright, there we got the tire removed. Alright, now we gotta remove this chain, and I'll set this tire down. And now I'm gonna bring it up to the bench, and as you can tell, it's pretty flat. The next step is that we have to take the tire off. Alright, now we gotta remove the tire. Alright, so you want to get these in there, and then you gotta get those in there, gotta bend them like that, and then you gotta go around there. There, now we got it all loosened up. Now we gotta remove the tube, so we gotta unscrew this. Now I'm gonna pull the tube out. Now I got the tube out. Now we're gonna find where the leak in the tube is. Alright, I think we found it. There it is. Alright. I got my new tube, and now I'm going to install it on my bike. First, we have to get the valve stem into the bike. This is a difficult task. Now, I'm going to tuck in this tube. First part of this is pretty hard, but this part isn't that hard, it just takes a little while. Now, we gotta make sure it's not bunched up anywhere. Alright, I see a little twist there, so we're gonna straighten that out. Right? There's a little bunch right there, which we don't like. So we're gonna try to straighten that out. Alright, looks good. Alright, now we're gonna reseed the bead. to get hard.
The last bit gets hard. We have 3 hands, that'll help. There.
There, now we got it. It's almost complete. Just a few more steps. Alright, now I'm gonna put some air in here. If you haven't noticed already, I'm just your amateur mechanic and don't know too much about this stuff, but I like to give it a go. I'm gonna check the bead now and make sure nothing is pinched. It looks good to me. We're almost done, just a few more pumps to go. Now my tire is full of air and all I gotta do is put this back on. Alright, now we're gonna put the tire back on the bike. If you guys were wondering what kind of bike I have a Norco Fluid with Manitou forks, and I have race face pedals. I got this bike at the Bicycle Doctor in Dousman, Wisconsin. And that should wrap up today's video. This was a project with me. This is my dad, this is me. And we hope that you enjoy this video. If you haven't already yet, please subscribe, like this video, and with that, stay tuned for my next video. Bye!